Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened your phone to check one notification and somehow 45 minutes disappeared? And then you say, I don't have time to learn about money, but I don't have time to study. I don't have time to improve my life. Here's the thing. It's not that you don't have time. It's that your phone is silently stealing the exact time you need to fix your financial future. And most people never connect these two dots. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about how everyday behavior affects your financial life. If you're someone who feels like you never have enough time to learn about money, improve your skills, or get ahead financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Look, this is not another phones are bad lecture. This is about how your phone is secretly destroying your focus and how that loss of focus is quietly costing you thousands of dollars every single year. And here's what most people don't realize. Focus is not just a productivity skill. Focus is a financial asset, and you're losing it daily. The $27,000 distraction problem. Let's do some very simple math. The average person spends about 4 to 6 hours per day on their phone, not calls, not work, scrolling, tapping, switching apps, watching short videos, checking notifications. Let's be conservative and say 3 hours of pure distraction. Hours, it is 365 days, equals 1,095 hours per year. That is 45 full days. Now imagine if you used even half of that time, 1.5 hours per day, to build a skill that could increase your income. Learning editing, coding, writing, marketing, finance, anything, even a basic skill that helps you earn just $5 more per hour in the future. 95 hours x $5 was $5,175 per year. Over 5 years, that's $27,000, and that's a low estimate. This is where it gets really interesting, because the real damage is not the time you lose, it's the focus you lose. Here's the psychological part nobody talks about. When you constantly consume short content, your brain starts expecting fast results in real life too. You want quick money, quick success, quick results. But money doesn't work like that. Wealth rewards patience, focus, and long-term thinking. Your phone is training you for the exact opposite mindset required to build wealth. And that's dangerous. A simple story. I once spoke to a student who said, I don't have time to learn editing and start freelancing, but his screen time was 6 hours. We calculated. If he used just 2 of those hours for 3 months to learn editing, he could easily start earning $300, $500 per month. But the phone felt easier than the future. And that's the trap. The real cost of screen time. Let's say you scroll 3 hours daily for 3 years. That's 3,085 hours. That's enough time to learn a full professional skill, read 50+ books on finance and self-growth, start a side hustle, build a freelancing career, learn investing. Instead, you know memes, trends, and viral sounds, but you don't know how money works. That's not an accident. That's a trade you're making every day without realizing. Here's what most people don't realize. Your phone is not just taking your time, it is reducing your ability to sit with hard things. And money is a hard thing. Budgeting is boring, learning skills is hard, studying is hard. So your brain chooses the easy dopamine instead, right? And your financial life stays stuck. The fix. Practical steps. Look, I'm not going to tell you to throw your phone away. That's unrealistic. But here's what you can do starting today. Step 1. No phone. First 60 minutes after waking, this trains your brain to start the day with control, not dopamine. Step 2. Keep phone in another room while studying. Do this for 90 days. Your focus will come back, and with it, your earning potential. This is where it gets really interesting. After 2 to 3 weeks of reduced scrolling, something strange happens. You feel bored. That boredom is your brain healing. And in that boredom, you start thinking, planning, learning. That's where financial growth begins. Final thought. You don't have a time problem, you have a focus problem. And your focus problem is quietly becoming a money problem. Fix the focus, and money becomes easier. If this opened your eyes even a little, hit the like button and subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money, we talk about the hidden behaviors that decide whether you'll